Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. I hope everyone is doing well. So you guys, this is November fall tour and 80-degree weather, you guys. So I don't know what's happening in your zone, but right now zone 8A has been dealing with lower 80-degree weather. And everything is doing good on the homestead. All the brassicas is coming in very, very nicely, you guys. I haven't seen any heads for my broccoli as of yet. Our weather still has been warm. We had a cold front that came in towards the end of September, and now we're back to the 70 and 80-degree weather. So I wanted to bring you guys a little tour on what's happening on the homestead. So all the collard greens is coming in good. I probably will be harvesting collard greens probably up until the spring. They need that cold weather, which we haven't had very cold weather as of yet. We did have the little cold front come through, but that didn't stay long. So unfortunately, my collard greens is not ready for the holidays that's about to come in. But that's okay, because I don't even do a lot of cooking around that time anymore. I've been done with that for some time. I prefer to do my cooking afterwards and not exhaust myself out during this time of year. So the tender greens, these are my tender greens, which I need to get out here and harvest them over here. And then we had some tender greens that I had planted some months back. I just threw the seeds out. We got I forgot which cabbage this is, but I would say Wakefield probably. And then we had the Asian cabbage that is coming in real nice. It actually looks like it could be romaine lettuce, but it's actually that cabbage. And I really need to get out here and get this big mama jamma right here. But no heads for broccoli as of yet. And we've been doing a good job keeping everything covered with the shade cloth to keep the bugs from coming in. That has helped out a lot. And right now we got lots and lots of pak choy, and I definitely need to get out here and get this pak choy so I can either can it or freeze it. I'm gonna look it up and see which is the best option for pak choy, especially the dwarf pak choy. So over here we have some kale that's coming in as well. And over here we have all the lettuces. I think I did a video showing you guys all the lettuce. So it is time to get out here and start harvesting this lettuce. And in this basket is some pak choy again. And over here is all of the collards that are coming in, and there's still collards that are still small in size that are still trying to get their growth spurt on. And there's still specks of some of my garlic that was in here that I had planted, and there's a little bit of lettuce growing right there. I might give that some slow release fertilizer to get it to get a little bit bigger, so I could get a harvest off of that small little lettuce that's growing in that grow bag. So again, just scanning to see if I see any kind of broccoli heads over here. I'm sure there's broccoli in here somewhere, but this is a combination of the Georgia collards and the Yates. The Bates. I think these are the only two that I did transplant this year. So everything is looking really, really lush over here on the right side of the raised bed area. Remember left side. My right side is resting. Remember I told you I was going to let these buckets rest, and I'm going to be transitioning those out, but they still got more life on this side than they do on my other side. So that's what this side is looking like. So you guys, let's go on over here to the other grow area with the purple bags. All right, you guys, we're back over here where we have lots of curl kale in this raised bed, along with some, I think, Russian, either it's Russian kale or Russian lettuce. I think it's the red Russian kale. And over here is the grow bag full of carrots. I hope my carrots do really well. I did try to thin out some. I didn't do a lot of thinning out, and I definitely don't think I did any thinning out in this grow bag here. So hopefully I don't have too many deformed ones that are too close to each other. That's what happens when the seeds are too close to each other. They don't have the room to grow properly. I wasn't fretting about really how I was getting them seeds in there. I just got them in there, and this bag actually just sprouted just a few seeds, but that's okay. So we just have to wait and see what these two grow bags is going to give us. And they look so nice and lush. And remember, I told you guys you can cut your tops off and use that in your salads. They make a wonderful salad, the tops. And then back over here, again, we have our Asian cabbage. It's time for me to start getting out here and probably pruning some of these back, so that I don't get a whole infestation of bugs that'll come in and start ransacking through that grow bag there, because I can see where something is going on in them. So I probably need to get out here and take out those lower leaves, prune back the lower leaves. But we have more tender greens over here, and some other type of greens I forgot. And these were all sold by seeds. And more greens over here. More greens over here. And also the Asian cabbage. And I know you guys, I sold more Asian cabbage in this area. But I just totally forgot exactly which ones it was in these raised beds. I will have to go back and check a video just to see, because I definitely totally forgot. So this is what the purple grow bag area is looking like. Very lush and green. And let's see, you guys, I am behind. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I've been behind in a lot of stuff and why y'all haven't been seeing me. All right, you guys, so this is the sweet potato. And me and my sons is probably gonna get to this today. I'm gonna try to get him to help me before he go back home. But I don't think I'm going to get a great harvest, I'm sorry about that, of sweet potatoes. I didn't see any sweet potatoes bulging out of this soil. And the deers did get to my vines. Even though they bloomed, the vines bloomed up really, really well. I was able to get some of the vines and do a stir fry on them. But then it was... All right, you guys, I'm back. We had a cutoff, so I was explaining to you guys that I need to get in here and just double check to see if I have a harvest of sweet potatoes. And again, I don't think I have a great harvest. I may have been too late getting my slips in, even though I had tons and tons of slips, you guys. But who knows? Like I said, I'm going to try to get my son to help me get out here and do this today just to see. Because, see, when I was looking, I pulled some and had a little tuber right there. But I really need to just dig down in there and just see. And, you know, flip the soil. Because who knows, it might be some big mamma jammas back there. But right now, I'm not thinking that's the case. So this might not be a good harvest for me this year. But it bees like that, you guys. All right, family. So this is what the fall garden is looking like. Not too bad for it to be the month of November. The trees are definitely going dormant. They still a little bit confused. You see the orange leaves from the persimmon over there, the other persimmon. All the other trees is definitely going into dormancy. They're going to sleep. And the I don't know what is going on with this raspberry plant right here, it's just going crazy, you guys. It really is. So I'm gonna have to make a decision on this area because they are invasive. As you can see, it's just really wilding out, just totally wilding out. So definitely gonna get in here, and I'm gonna have to dig this up because these thorns is definitely dangerous. And I already pruned this back the beginning of the season and in the middle of the season, and y'all see what it's doing, and it's just fall. So I definitely have to get in here and tend to this. I can see where I will have to probably do some changing out of the blueberries that are down that way. And I see I got ant mounds. I don't know if you guys got a lot of rain, but for the last 2 days we've been getting a lot of rain. So I got ant mounds that I got to get out here and put some powder on them to dye those back. And the bees, you guys, the bees are still working. We came out and gave them a couple of jars of sugar water, and y'all see they still working. They are still working, you guys. So inside the beehive is looking pretty good in there. We can check the observation window, which we've been doing. And what I think I'm gonna try to do is over the winter months, I think I'm going to definitely paint these and get a sealant on them so they can last a little bit longer. But as you can see, they're working. Now I can see a little something on some of the legs. Yep, they're still bringing in pollen. So you guys, if y'all beekeeping, let me know what is one of the good flowers that they like. I know next year I'm going to be planting some goldenrod back here in my back area. So I'm going to be definitely doing that, planting more flowers that the bees do like. But like I said, they are still working. But all right, you guys, I won't keep you guys much longer. Just wanted to bring you guys a tour. All right, family. So also look at the peppers. So we still have some jalapeno that's still trying to grow, but the growth is being stuck, and I'm gonna get those off. But it's still trying to grow, you guys. Now my Tabascos, I didn't even bother with them, but there's some that I can get off of there, not much. But when the cold front came in the first time, it kind of decimated the plant. So right now it's confused. It's still trying to do something. And I forgot, this was the variety plant that gives you orange, red, and yellows. I forgot what the exact name of it. But I'm about to prune all of these back. And what I'm going to do is try to cover them up with a blanket, an old blanket, or some sheets, and just see if this will bloom up next year. Gonna try and see. If not, I probably will start some seeds inside and bring the transplants out. So all right, family, this is SEK the Homestead. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and rocking with me. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.